Hey AI-inspired shifters! Ever wish you could turn a simple photo into a professional product ad, rebrand your entire business, or even bring an old black and white photo back to life, all with a single click? What if you could take a photo of a woman and with one prompt, add your own product in her hand? Or what if you could take a picture of your favorite celebrity and have them shake hands with you? What about trying on some new clothes you might want to buy online? Wow, this is amazing. This is so good. These new tools are a game changer, allowing you to create ads in seconds, saving money on hiring an influencer, and they're capable of taking over Adobe Photoshop. Today, I'm revealing two incredible, completely free AI tools that can do all that and more. They just got released. We're talking about a simple interface that gives you access to hundreds of AI tools that will save you hours of work and change how you scale your business. I'm putting the powerful Quen edit model from Alibaba versus the newly released NanoBanana, which is actually Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview, but I prefer NanoBanana. So we're gonna put them head to head in a live battle. I'll show you how to use NanoBanana on Marina, Google AI Studio, and also Quen image edit. So first of all, let's look at their announcement page and some of the demos they have published. Google claims NanoBanana is really good at accurately portraying your reference image and maintaining character consistency. For example, you can input this image of a character and generate additional images, things like you painting, you as a chef, you as a nurse, as a doctor. You can turn yourself into anime, you can create multiple characters, you can place objects in a room so you can see where they fit best. You can change the colors, the environment, the seasons, the colors, the facial expressions. You can reveal things, you can restore images. Quen is also known for its quick edits, but let's see how it holds up against these advanced features. Now you can access Quen image either on chat.quen.ai or you can also access it on Marina. NanoBanana you can access in Marina too, either test it side by side, battle it, or directly chat with it. Just click the image icon and choose the model that you want to choose. And you can also use it in Google AI Studio for free. And another thing that I wanted to mention, you can actually access NanoBanana in your Gemini chat interface anytime you chat with it and you want to create images. First up is the ultimate test for any e-commerce business, creating a professional product ad from scratch. I'll take a simple portrait of a woman and the product, paste in this prompt, a woman holding a perfume bottle, sitting on a luxurious couch, preserve the text. And here I found it useful. If you change the models, it actually gives you a different output. NanoBanana was way quicker than Quen edit. Look at how beautifully it maintained the facial structure of this person. It placed her on the couch and preserved her clothing. Now let's try another version. The woman stands in the kitchen behind the kitchen bench, looking at the camera, smiling and holding the bag of protein in her hand. So let's hit run. Quen did a pretty bad job. That's not the person. The bag is super big, but it preserved the text. Quen edit is really good at text. Now let's see, NanoBanana did a really good job. Look at that. Wow, this is amazing. She's behind the bench, she's smiling, she's got the protein bag. Wow, this is amazing. This is really fascinating. Wow. The next test is a test for branding, adding your logo to a clothing piece. We'll take an image of Mr. Beast and we're gonna prompt it something like this. Make the t-shirt have the logo image I attached. Hit run. Now this is taking a while. NanoBanana was faster and this is the image that it created. It preserved the face and it put the logo on it. This is amazing. Wow, look at that. This is really fascinating. This was the logo before. This is the new logo that it has. When edit chopped up the head, put the logo really nicely, but it's different too. It's not white inside, as you can see. Now let's test their ability for fashion and e-commerce with a virtual try-on. I'll take a photo of a person, assemble the outfit and put it on this person lifestyle image. Hit run. So NanoBanana did a pretty good job, but it didn't change those sleeves here, but it preserved everything else. The person is the same, the background is the same, but it didn't add the sleeves, as you can see here. Now we can rerun it and maybe it gives us a better result. Look at that. This is really awesome. Now it followed exactly what we wanted. And you can see it is truly amazing. Look, it even has the ticket, the tag that you can see here. It even added that, removed the sunglasses, and it adapted it really, really well. Wow, this is amazing. Isolate the outfit and place it on a clean white background for e-commerce display. Exclude the model, show only the outfit. NanoBanana is faster again. Boom, just like that, you've got the outfit on a clean white background. This is how the original image looks like. You can use that for your e-commerce store. Now, Qwen Edit did a pretty good job too, but you can still see the body in there. That doesn't work. Now, I'm sure you are dying to see how to do the celebrity images. So we're gonna take Elon Musk and myself. Those two people shake hands. Pretty simple. Hit run. All right. An internal error has occurred, so we might have to rerun it. Yeah, but it did pretty well. It preserved me almost, but it preserved Elon Musk really well, and we are shaking hands. This is pretty cool. Let's try something funny. Ooh, there you go. It did it. Whoa, this. Let's download this. Now here are a few I prepared earlier. I've created the celebrity deepfakes with Mr. Beast and Elon Musk. Make those two people shake hands. Portrait of Mr. Beast and Elon Musk standing in a room like they're best friends. I took the thumbnail for this video, and instead of recreating it from scratch in Photoshop, I simply said, change the text in the thumbnail to AI did this. Then I also took a sports car, a photo of myself, prompted it to put me in the driver's seat of this sports car wearing sunglasses while keeping everything else preserved as the same. Then I also took Goku Super Saiyan, changed the environment to a snowy top mountain. I also took a blurry black and white photo and prompted it to restore it, to colorize it and make this damaged black and white photo in high quality resolution. Up until now, every AI model struggled with this, but look at NanoBanana's result. The details are restored, the colors are vibrant and accurate. We've never seen this before in a free tool. I also took a comic figure, turned myself into a Pixar style character, and the results are not perfect when you do yourself into anime or Pixar style. I think they're gonna still improve that. It's obviously just released. You can also go to build Google AI Studio, and then you can build apps first of all, but you can also pass forward. This is a pre-built app that Google already created for us to test those new features with a NanoBanana model or Gemini 2.5 image edit. You can add an image of yourself or any image that you would like, generate, and here you can type in whatever you want to adapt the app itself in order to improve if it has a bug, if it doesn't work correctly. So you can see they created different images of different time zones, 1960s, 1970s, 1950s, 1980s, that's a nice one, 2000s, and 1990. You can download those images, so you can have different types of images of yourself. You could ask it, for example, use 2100 for the images it creates. Now it's thinking and adapting. It will code for you and prove this app. Generate? Yeah, it does. Look, 2030 and 2100. Boom, just like that. You've got 2030. Let's download this, download this. That's what it created. That's 2030. Oh, okay, that's the high tech. 2100. Wow. And the other cool app here, this one here, is you can place an object into a room or into a place where you want to add the object. So for example, we can add the scene, take a bed that we want to place into the scene, can drag it in. You can also improve this app by again asking it what is wrong and what you want it to do. It can code it for you and create the app to function better. Here, pre-made prompts that you can add into. You also have Fix Shop, can retouch, add some filter, do some adjustments. You can take this image, for example, here. You can retouch, you can ask generate, so you're gonna retouch the image, and then you can crop it, you can adjust it, you can blur the background, enhance the details, warmer light, studio light. You can add a filter with synthware, anime, Lomo, glitch. So that sums up my tests. Both NanoBanana and Quen are incredibly powerful and free, but NanoBanana is consistently a little better at micro editing, especially with character consistency, deep contextual understanding, and generating complex scenes. And also the cool thing is that you can continue the conversation and it continuously adapts it and edits it with what you already put into the chat. It's rumored that Google will be integrating NanoBanana or Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview to be a part of Google Pixel phones, Google Pixel 10. It's definitely going to change the AI landscape forever, and it's only gonna get better. So what's the one text image that you're most excited to edit with AI? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AI Inspired Shifter to work smarter, faster, and automate your business. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. But if you want to work smarter, check out this video.